Hello!
I'm Richard.
And I'm Leslie, and together we run and own the Really Well Bird Food Company at Street End Farm.
Our farm is a lovely 400-acre farm on the chalky South Downs of Hampshire.
What makes us different to every other birdseed company is the fact that we control the whole process of birdseed production.
We grow our own wheat, oilseed rape, red millet, white millet, canary seed, and of course our sunflowers. After harvest, our crops are stored and dried. We then clean them to a very high standard to produce the wild bird seed. We check for the quality at every stage of the manufacturing process. This will ensure that every bag is of the same high quality.
Our goods are collected on a daily basis from the farm and will travel by courier on an overnight service for delivery the next day to our customers. Customer service is really important to us. Great products at good prices is the most important feature of our business.
Alright, you got my order there?
Yes, I certainly have.
Great.
It's all ready. Would you like it? Very much indeed.
Stick it on the bill.
Will do. Thanks, Clive. It's very much a family business where really everybody gets involved. Although we're a small team, we have a really big heart and we will always do our best for our customers.
And our wild birds.